Florida, how are you this morning? Did you manage to get your body moving yesterday? Maybe you had a go at Squish the Fish yoga. I love yoga. Well, I already feel a lot better after doing lots of exercise yesterday, and I'm going to do some more today. Well, let's find out which day of the week it is and find out about our Tywydd, and then I'll show you our activity for this morning. Right, well, yesterday was Monday. So what comes after Monday? Monday, Tuesday. Diane, today is Tuesday with a Tuesday. Here we go. It's Tuesday. We're still in the month of June, and yesterday was the 22nd of June, day number 22. So after 22 comes, let's think, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 23. The 20, so a 2 for the 20, the 23rd of June. Around the tree, 3, 3, 3. The 23rd of June. Today, there we go. Suck my Tywydd heddiw? They've said it's going to be Heulog, but I'm not sure we're quite there yet. Let's see. Suck my Tywydd heddiw. Bwrw eira. Heulog. Heulog a gwmylog. Gwmylog. Bwrw glaw. Wyntog. Or stormydd. Suck my Tywydd heddiw. Diane. Right, boys and girls. Well, today we are going to be making our very own obstacle course outside. So we can have things we can climb over, things we can go under, and we're also going to have activities that we can do at different points of our course. So I have started to make some of my activities that I'm going to do in my obstacle course. I'll show you them in a minute and you can help me to finish them off. But for my obstacle course today, I'm going to need to have some numbers because in between going over and under things, I'm going to have to stop and I'm going to have to do some exercises at different points of my obstacle course. And I'm going to need to know how many of those exercises I'm going to need to do. So this morning we're going to be working on our numbers as well. And to start off, to warm ourselves up, we're going to do some counting. So let's count forwards, starting from number 1 all the way up to 20. Think we can do that? We can do our fairy clap as we go along. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Now, shall we do our counting in tens? So we've practiced this a little bit, haven't we? So instead of saying one number at a time, we say 10. A group of our tens numbers, don't we? So we'll start off with 10, then 20, then 30, and we'll carry on all the way up to 100. When you do it, can you show me your 10 fingers each time? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Diane, well done. Right, one last thing then, we'll do counting from 10 all the way to 0. And as we do it, we'll tap our head. So backwards counting this time. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Bendigedig, well done you. Okay, so now we're going to be thinking about missing numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some of my number cards down, but one of them is going to be upside down, so we can't see the number. The number is missing, and I would like you to see if you can work out which number is missing. Okay, just make sure you can see them. So move them along a bit. Okay, can you see those numbers? Which one is turned upside down? Now they should be in the right order. So which is the missing number? It's number 5. Well done. Shall we see if you were right? There it is. Number 5 was missing. Diane, shall we have one more go? Very well then, didn't you? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's not starting from number 1 this time. Our numbers don't always start with number 1, do they? Sometimes we count from different numbers. Ooh, I wonder which number is missing here. So which number comes after 6? 6? Shall we have a look? Did you get it right? It was number 7. Now there are going to be some numbers that are going to come up now with missing numbers for you to work out. So you can pause the video if you need to. And if you really wanted to, you could get your whiteboard and have a go at writing down that missing number. So have a go at the missing numbers now. And then when we finish those, we'll have a look at how we're going to do our obstacle course. Okay, boys and girls, so in our course we're going to be doing outside today. We're going to have different points where we have to stop and do exercises. And we're going to be writing down what those exercises are going to be and writing how many of them we need to do. So I've chosen my ones that I would like to do, and you could choose the same ones or you can choose different ones. So the first one is this one. And so I have found myself a piece of card and I've drawn a picture of somebody doing something called a star jump. And at the bottom I've written star jumps. And now I need to decide how many I need to do in my obstacle and exercise course. So I think I'm going to do 10 star jumps. So I'm going to write my number 10 here on my sign. And then I'll stand this outside at the spot where I have to do 10 star jumps. So that one is ready. Oh, now I thought another good thing for us to practice that can be tricky sometimes is running on the spot. So I'm going to put run on spot, and I've got a picture of someone's legs running, and I think I'm going to do that for 20 seconds. So we're going to count to 20 while somebody's running on the spot. So 20 is a 2 and a 0. So 20 seconds. So when we get to this point, we'll know we have to run for 20 seconds. There we go. And now this one, I'm going to put a little bucket outside and a ball. And when we get to this point, we have to throw ball. And there's a picture of someone throwing a ball into a bucket. So I need to decide how many times we have to throw the ball into the bucket before we can move on. So I think we'll say 3 times. So when you've got the ball in the bucket 3 times, you can move on. So around the tree, 3, 3, 3. So here are 3 things I'm going to have in my obstacle course. And in between each one of them, I might have to balance along something or climb over or under something. So you have a think of what you could put in your course and see if you can complete it all and if you can beat your grown-ups. Okay? Well, boys and girls, I'm going to show you a little video of Christian having a go at some of our exercises in our obstacle course, and then I will see you tomorrow. Hwyl fawr. Bye-bye.